Brenda? Janice? Any of you in there? Miss Baker? Miss Wildman? I see a shadow move and I hear sound. I may be whole but not blind or deaf. Morning.
Morning.
Miss Brenda or Miss Janice is here.
Them gonna work in Mr. PP.
Listen me now, if I tell you once, I tell you 1,000 times. My name is Pepin, P-E-P-P-I-N, not P-P. And please for you to tell Miss Brenda and Miss Janice from me that the rent is due and nobody say anything to me yet.
Let us put the rent due, Batman, I want you.
Listen me now, don't call me no bad man. I am the lawful, legal landlord of this apartment. The rent due from 6 a.m. this morning. So as of 6:01, the rent is late. And nobody say anything to me yet.
We ever late for rent yet?
We? Who the hell is we? As far as I know, I rent my place to 2 young ladies, Miss Janice Baker and Miss Brenda Wildman. And I specifically tell them that men are allowed to visit, but they can't live here.
Me don't live here, I know. We just go and come.
You know how long I see you come here, and I know you don't go nowhere yet. But you know what? I'm going to have a talk with Janice. Because I don't know what she's seeing at you.
Mr. Peepin, I mean Mr. Pepin. You know, say Mr. Landlord, me feel like a this year this me.
I'm speaking the truth. All I see you do is stay a day in, day out, not doing anything. And guess what? I see a respectable young man coming to Brenda, you know. And I wonder what Janice can do the same. All I know is if you go and live here, the rent will have to raise.
You don't talk. When Johnny's forward, they get a rent, brother.
You know something? Make I inspect my place to make sure say everything alright and nothing missing.
Hey. You can't invade people's privacy. You can't do that, sir.
Boy, you got school, but you're not allowed. Privacy? The only way you can talk to me about privacy, boy, is if I rent you somewhere and you have a private area. And as far as I remember, your name don't appear found. What am I receiving? So park your little mini miner somewhere else. Cause it's right.
Yeah, man, go on, man. Long time for go on.
You finding me now? I thought you were sleeping.
Where I come from?
You mean where I'm coming from, Paul? You know I have class today, right?
Class. So the 5 o'clock the class over.
Yes.
It don't take you more than 5 minutes to walk by the bus stop. And about half an hour to catch a bus. And if traffic up on the road, it might take you up to an hour. So what time now?
8:15.
So I'm to the last hour and 15 minutes.
Didn't I tell you that after school, me and some friends from a study group, and we revised about an hour after school? Because the exam is coming up, you know.
You take my forward though.
Which what exactly?
How much money you have?
Jesus Christ. You come with this again? You have to stop accusing me. I go to work 4 days out of the week. And I go to school too. And on Sundays, I'm home all day. So where in all of this I find time to put a man? It's a better life me looking at. I'm gonna have no time for you and your insecurities then.
Me and my insecurities. I saw when you start take man and start get bright. Alright, go in my room.
No, please.
Mr. Go in my room.
Perfect picture, even though deep inside she suffer. She model her fear but fancy cover. Now make you see how she bruised and battered. You see a smile, perfect picture, even though deep inside she suffer. She model her fear but fancy cover. Now make you see how she bruised. Reflecting me see how much she changed from she there with him. It seemed like nothing cause she check for him but slowly. Over time she hyper vigilant. It up in a dark corner. At every event, all the little things me get for realize. Introvert behavior start to normalize. Most times when we talk me hear the agony. But she says she happy, you must spend money. You might see a smile, perfect picture, even though deep inside she suffer. She model her fear but fancy cover. Now make you see how she bruised and battered. You see a smile, perfect picture, even though deep inside she suffer. She model her fear but fancy cover. Now make you see how she bruised. Today must see your sister post, can't believe you're gone. Your mother paid say big daughter, me really